to Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places. Okay, first time trying the lunch, airport lunch. So, pa ganyan. In fairness. Ito ganda din. Thank you, RCBC. My fruits. Thank you, RCBC. Another month, another adventure. So I'm here in NAIA Terminal 3 and I'm off to a country that is so diverse. And I'm so excited kasi ma-explore ko na siya. Finally! Yeah! See you in Malaysia! Good morning, guys! So, ayun. After lang ng paglabas mo ng ano. They have a lot of SIM cards na here. Yeah! Easy lang, no? I have this SIM card. So, this is highly recommended SIM card according to my research. So, that's why I purchased it here na for 55 Malaysian ringgit. So, ayun lang. See you later, Malaysia. Tandaan pa pala kong IO. Ja! So, ayan. 5, ilang hours going to KL Central Bacolod? An hour? So, an hour travel time from airport going to KL Central. Central Streets. Ay, matadaanan natin. Marami ditong biryani. Yan, kayo. Malaysia! Hello! Hi ka. So, hi guys. This is the main transportation hub. This is KL Central. Parang holiday nila. Oh, diba? Dalawa luggage ko.
Dala ng video. Ay, akala ko po.
Hi, good morning, Malaysia. Daming trees. Oh. Hello, Philippines. So, hi guys. We're here in TBS. So, dito kami sasakay going to Melaka. So, you can also book online, no?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, book muna kami ng ticket. Ja! See you, Melaka! So, hi guys! Hahanap kami kung saan kami magbubook. So, either we booked online or we'll just look for options naman. Balitaan ko kayo. Ciao! Like yung tour guide. Tour guide. Ayan guys, cash only.
2610 kayo na.
Kano? So that's 24.80. Our bus. Uy, wow. Ang color. Parang pa-party ka sa bus. Dulo na. The food of Melaka. It's actually inside the mall, but they have this and then but of course laksa. So ayan, dig in. natin sambal.
Matamis ka.
Ayun. Ito bakla. Tikman mo.
Melaka is one of the oldest city in Malaysia. Wow, that's research. So, ayun, hanap kami na ngayon. Paano kami mag-tour via bus. Okay, Jack, matane.
So hi guys, we're exploring Melaka City. Ayan. Bakla. So far, hindi pa kami marunong mag-bus. It's hard. Kasi parang yung bus stop, hindi namin alam kung saan. Pero meron kaming nakikitang mga bus like colored pink. Tapos yung parang so once in Malaysia. Pero ayun, I found out namin that's why we're walking so that we can explore. Hello, Shell.
Welcome to Melaka City.
The first food that we try here in Melaka is the sandal shake. Nakita ko lang to sa sa vlog. So ito try ko din, di ba? Why not? Masarap siya, guys. So here in Melaka, you'll find like old buildings. And I mean, that's maybe this is one of the oldest food, no? Food stalls. The weather in Malaysia, unpredictable din, same sa Philippines. The Red Square or the Dutch Square. So Melaka is actually rich in history, culture and history. So hi guys, welcome back. So we're here in the most historic place or historic city of Melaka. This at the back is the Christchurch Melaka or the Red Square. Well, if you are interested in in culture and history. So, this place is very rich in history and culture. So, ayun lang. Diyan, matane. So cute. So cute na mga nila. Parang tricycle. Cute na. So, you can actually ride this one and tour around Melaka, sa Melaka Street. Cute! Was built in 1556. How many years old? One of the oldest. So hi guys, we're here in St. Paul Church Hill, which is one of the oldest church that was built way back 1556. Oh, that is super old na pala. And look at the view. Bangor night market. So, nakabila ko ng ano. Yeah! 300 plus lang yan. Sobrang dami na ng ano, sticky rice. Tikman ko mamaya sa hotel. Ja! This is the end of today's video. See you tomorrow! Good morning, guys. By the way, I just wanted to share, this is where we stayed for a night here in Melaka. Ay, pool pala besh. Sorry. Ayan. So, pwede kami mag-rent dito. Ayan. Good morning, bakla. So, napaka-accommodating ng mga staff nila here. So, medyo malayo lang siya sa center, which would take around 20 minutes. Pero okay lang kasi you can, enjoy the places para madaanan mo rin lahat ng mga tourist spots kasi magkakatabi lang. So, ayan lang guys. Ayan na. Pwede ka mag-rent. Heart, heart. Off to our next destination. Diyan, matane. Alam. Ito yung class na pag nakalabas ka na sobrang init. Nag-change yung color. Good morning! Another day, another adventure here in Melaka. Oh, walang traffic, guys. So we're off to the floating mosque.
I'm sorry?
You like the Malacca?
Yes.
Yeah.
We came from Kuala Lumpur.
Alaan mo, the other side of Malacca. Guys, opening hours is 9 a.m. It's the opening hours. That's actually around 14 minutes away from our place. So, ang ganda dito. Different side of Malacca. Yan, pwede nang pumasok. Pero may dress code sila, guys, ha. You're not allowed to wear sleeveless and shorts for girls. Yan. Dress code. Dress code for visitors. Hi, guys. You have to pay 5 ringgit. And you have to wear hijab. It's a proper attire pag mga mosque. So guys, you have to remove your shoes for now. So, ganyan yung outfitan, guys. Hindi ka pwede mag-OOTD here, ha? Kasi mosque to. Ganda dito. Doon, yun panda, diba? Ayun nila. So, we're here na. How much is it? How much bakla daw? And 20? 20. Yun guys. Entrance is 20 ringgit for the Sultanate Palace Museum. Check ko kung we're allowed to if we're allowed to fly a drone. Hi guys, ayun. We're not allowed to fly a drone. So ayun, ay lang naman. Wala yung face. Ciao. the Sultanate Palace Museum is the renovation or the modern reconstruction of the Melaka Palace. So, ayan siya. So, kaya ng mga more or less an hour, 45 to an hour exploration. Tara! Ganda ng araw today, oh. Kasi wala kaming mahanap na kainan. Puro alas 12 dati. Bakit naman gano'n? Nag-negosyo. Yan, oh. Memorize ko gamit ko eh.
Pero yung thought na mawawala mo ang place.
This is the end of our Melaka trip. So I had so much fun. Ganda rin ng Melaka when it comes to history, culture. So doon niya malalaman ang pinagmulan ng Malaysia. Ano ba pinagmulan? Kasi this is the oldest city in the country. So yun lang. So if you have time, visit Melaka if you're going to visit Malaysia. A day or two is actually okay. So ayun lang. Diyan, matane. Bye, Melaka. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned from this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Ja, matane!